Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new video here from Biti, Bitcoin Trading Informant. So, what do we make today? Today I have a special for you ladies and gentlemen. We will check the MACD. Here is the MACD, it's an indicator and most people are trading with this indicator, and today I will show you something about this indicator, how to use it and how it works. So let's start. What is the MACD? Okay, the MACD is the moving average convergence divergence. It sounds very difficult, but you will see it is not so difficult. The technical indicator is a tool that's used to identify moving averages that are indicating a new trend, whether it's bullish or bearish. So it's nicely to see. Here is the MACD. You see it here in this region. And as you can see, we see here in this MACD downgoing and upgoing candles. And you see here the MA, these are these drawing lines here in red and in blue. So okay, come on, let's check. With a MACD chart, you will usually see three numbers that are used for its settings. The first of the number of periods that are used to calculate the faster moving average. The second is the number of periods that are used in the slower moving average. And the third is number of bars that are used to calculate the moving average of the difference between the faster and slower moving averages. Okay, sounds very difficult. For example, if you were to see 12, 26 and 9 as the MACD parameters, which is usually the default setting for most charting software. And in TradingView it's also this setting. I will show you that later. This is how you would interpret it. Okay, the 12 represents the previous 12 bars of the faster moving average. The 26 represents the previous 26 bars of the slower moving average. And the 9 represents the previous 9 bars of the difference between the two moving averages, these two here. So, okay, here's a lot of text. I would say here it's a very interesting picture. You see here red is the slower moving average, blue is the faster moving average. And it's very important here to see these crossings. These crossings are mostly the change of bearish to bullish or of bullish to bearish. That's the most interesting thing here, you can see. I had to say, you see here the crossover again. That's this point. There are crossing red and blue line here. And you can see after this crossover, we saw a very bullish phase here, a very bullish pattern. I would say if you would like to read something more about this MACD indicator, you can use this link. It's very interesting here. It's named babypips.com learn forex MACD. Okay, now this is the theory. Let's go into the Bitcoin chart and let's check the MACD and let's check Bitcoin. Okay, here is it. Here is our Bitcoin chart. But before we are going in this daily chart, the crypto fear and greed index. Extreme greed, 7th February today, 2021, and we have extreme greed in the market. We have 86 points. You can see yesterday 84 points. You can see last week 78 points, and you can see last month 93 points of extreme greed. Let's check coin market cap. The daily check for coin market cap will show us Bitcoin last 24 hours a plus of 0.64%. Last 7 days, 16.6% going up. Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum has a minus on 24 hours, 2%. And in 7 days, it's working a lot better, 21% as Bitcoin. And you can see here, these two charts from the last 7 days are similar here. It's very, very interesting always to see that Bitcoin and Ethereum are mostly times similar. Cardano, wow, what a plus in 24 hours, 23%. And look at this Cardano, ADA, in 7 days, 83%. 7% plus. Cardano, the place to be. Cardano is the place to trade. You can make the most profit here in the last 7 days. Not that I say today you have to go in, because we are very high with 87%, but it's the place to be for the last 7 days to trade. XRP is not a good place to trade. Momently you see in the last 7 days minus 3.3% and a plus of 0.8%. Polkadot, okay, the last 7 days are good. Today not so good. Let's check Litecoin. Today minus 3%, and the last 7 days a plus of 17%. Stellar XLM, okay, you know I'm long here since 0.27, but I've made a stop loss here today about 0.37. So I would like to take my profit I made with Stellar on long time trade and set a stop loss here, because if we are going back with Stellar, I'm out of here. In the week, a plus of 19%. Okay, I took this percent, and today a plus of 10%. This was this big move upwards here. Okay, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is extremely pumping. Dogecoin the last 7 days 106%, and today 24%. Dogecoin is absolutely the place to trade, but Dogecoin is for me such a dump and pump coin, and I know Elon Musk tweeted it, it's good. He tweeted it's bad. He tweeted it's good. That's not good for me. That's always for me like playing a roulette in a casino. So I am personally not in Dogecoin, but the performance on the last 7 days is extreme, heavy, frightening. Okay, that's the coin market cap for today. But now let's go to the Bitcoin daily chart, and you can see in the Bitcoin daily chart, before we take a look here on this MACD, we are over this uptrend, over this downtrend channel, sorry, the red downtrend channel. We broke it, and we have nice candles up here. You can see every candle is green since the broken downtrend channel, and the daily is momently on 39,444. Definitely over this support. We have here a good support. The support is here on 38,800, 700 about, and you can see our target of this breakout from the triangle is here on, just let me take a look, it's reached. Okay, you saw this is the triangle. We have made a triangle here, and we have broken up this triangle to the upside. This was our target to reach, and you can see we have reached this target. So triangle pattern is over now, and we have no active pattern here for Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is gaining up here in the direction of the all-time high, 42,000 about. That's the daily chart. But now you can see here, this is our MACD. And you can see here a lot of red candles and a lot of green ones here. And as you can see, here are these two lines we talked about. And the MACD, you can see here in the inputs, we have the 12 points and the 26 points here. The faster is the 12 points, and the slower is the 26 points. And as you can see here, the MACD is the blue one, and the signal is the orange one. And as you can see, we had here on this point we had a crossing, so this point was the perfect place to buy. We had here the red candles, this was the downtrend, the perfect place. Okay, definitely the perfect place to buy is absolutely clear, it's here 28,900, 29,000, the best place to buy. Okay, but for this crossing here, you can see is the candle on this time from here, it's on 33,000, about 34,000. This is the crossing, and from this point the MACD changed here from red to green. It's going up. Let's take a look about the EMA ribbon band. You can see we are wide over this ribbon band, and we have a lot of space back to this ribbon band for a retest. 35,000. No one is speaking about 35,000 because we would fall back in this downtrend channel. Nobody would like to see it, but here it is. Here it is. 35,500 is the support line of this ribbon band. And we can turn on the buy and sell indicator. I'll take a look about, and as you can see, it's not wandering here. The buy indicator is exactly here on this cross. So this buy indicator is showing us buy now, a little late, okay, here is a better place, or here would be a better place, but as a signal here you can see buy now here on this crossing. You can see here it was the sell indicator, not the crossing. The crossing was here, and here was no sell signal. So the sell signal is not completely like the MACD. It uses a lot of other signals. I will show you that on another video. But here you can see the sell signal was here, the new buy signal was here, and now it's going up. Extreme nice trade here if you are trading on a daily chart. So we turn it off, and we are going in the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look deeper in the chart. Here is the 4-hour chart, and we have some nice drawings here. Nice, okay, not so nice drawings, but we have drawings here. And you can see here, interesting, we had a rejection here. Here is our target, what played out here. And as you can see, we hit this target perfectly. And we saw a rejection here from hitting this target. So this target and this rejection here is our new resistance. Very clearly, we can here draw here a line from this to this. This is our new resistance. This is our new resistance to fight. It's about 41,000. That's the first resistance to fight, and our all-time high is the next resistance to fight if Bitcoin is going upwards here more and more and more. We would see. We will take a look deeper to the 1-hour chart a little bit later, but now we check this MACD here, and as you can see, here is the crossing. Here is the crossing of the MACD, and let's take a look on the buy signals. Where was the last buy signal? Very deep here. Okay, here was the last buy signal on the 4-hour chart. That's a lot better as this buy signal from the daily chart. This is about 34,000. If you bought here and you took all the way up here, you're in a very profitable positive trade. You can see this buy and sell signals always on my live stream 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's named Bitcoin Trading Informant on Twitch and on YouTube. And you can see there all buy signals, definitely on 15 minutes, on 1 hour, and on 4-hour chart. Depends on the time frame you are trading. My second channel is Crypto Trading Informant, and you see there 6 of the biggest cryptos, like XRP, like XLM, ADA, Bitcoin is there, Ethereum is there, and you can see the buy and sell signals there on the 1-hour chart. So you can use it for trading, you can use it to make your own position, and you can take a look about this if you want to buy or if you want to sell. They are working really, really, really good. Take a look at it. So you can see we are changing here in the red zone from the green MACD here. You saw here the crossing of the MACD, and now it's going to red. But it's very interesting. We are going slightly up here. But this up move is not so important for me because the MACD is in the red zone. I would not buy here momently. I would not buy. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. So here it is, the 1-hour chart. Let's take these things off so it's a little bit easier to see the chart. You can see we reached this triangle breakout. Okay, it's again here. We rejected perfect from this going down. Here's our big support. We broke this support, but now Bitcoin is back and has fighted it back. So now it's our support again. Here was it the resistance if you broke it. Now we are fighting it back again, and it's now the support again. Support clearly here on 38,700. Very easy to understand, and our resistance is here, this last high. The target pattern, the target of the pattern outbreak from the triangle, about 41,000. Okay, the MACD is here interesting. In the 1-hour chart, you can see here a crossing from the MACD. Here is the green, and here it turns to red. And this here was the place to sell. Turn on the buy and sell indicator. Yes, it is. It is perfectly. Here was the place to sell. If you made a long position from here, from the buy, upwards perfectly here to the sell, and you sold there on crossing here and turning now into red zone. This was a perfect trade. Let's take a look how much you made here. If you bought here on this and you sold here on this sell, 7%. So it's really easy to make a good trade if you use these buy and sell signals. Okay, it's clear. Here buy, here sell, not a good trade. Here buy, here sell, little trade. But this was a perfect trade. You have to know if you are making this trading these signals here, sell, buy, good trade, sell, perfect. If you are trading these signals, if you make 6 good, really good trades and 4 are not so good, it's okay. You have to know about the feeds. The feeds are on Binance 0.075%. You have to calculate the feeds and so on. And if you make short trades like here and like here, okay, there are some feeds you have to calculate. But if you make a big one here from buy to sell, perfectly. It's really perfectly a little feeds, and you have a very good win. If you sold here, perfect. And as you can see, we have no buy signal here. We have no buy signal here, but the lines are about maybe to cross if Bitcoin is going a little bit higher. And if Bitcoin is going a little bit higher on the next hour, candle, I would buy. The next cross, I would buy here. You would see the buy signal here, and I would buy. But if you are still on this time frame and on this position now on 39,300, and we have no crossing here, I would not buy momently. Okay, that's the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. I'm trading the 15-minute chart too. That's very nice to trade. And as you can see here, oh, what a good trade. If you are shorting Bitcoin, you had to sell here, to short here, to go down from here, and use the buy signal to end the short. It was a perfect short. Personally, I am not shorting Bitcoin because I think Bitcoin is a very, very positive thing for us humans, for the whole world. And I really never would short a good thing. But you can short it. It's no team. I have no problems with shorting. No, but only personally, I am not shorting. If you made it here to this buy here, you made about 5% in a few hours. A perfect trade, a really, really nice one if you are sold here and shorted here and bought back here. Okay, looks really nice. Let's take a look on the EMA ribbon, and this is really positive on the 15-minute chart. We are over the ribbon. You saw it here. Here it was the place to short again. We have short and long signals too on the live stream. I will show you something about this on next time maybe. But you can see here it's turned into red, the ribbon band, and we are under this band. And now we fightened it back. We need a little bit more here, a little bit more volume, a little bit more green candles to go up more here. But I show you something because I'm not so bullish now. Because of this, if I'm drawing a line from here to the highest point from here and to the lowest point of here, you can see a really fat red downtrend channel. And as long we can't break this point here, this is an important point here, this one, as long as we can't break this point, we may see a retest of our support, then it can go up, or from this it going up. But here it's not sure for me the direction. So I'm not in this because I slept here. I was sleeping about 5 o'clock in the morning. I can't take this buy. So I'm not going in here. I am going into this if I would not sleep here on this point. And I would sell maybe here if we can't go higher, or this is a point 2. We have here a higher high, it's good, and we have here a lower lows on the same position here. So this is my support, and if I were trading it now here, I would make this line here for me very important. So this is my buy, I would go up to here, I would go up to here, and more, perfect. But if we are going under this resistance of 39,300, I would sell here, because it's very possible to go back here deeper and deeper from here. We may see a retest here, we may see then a bicycle here, and I can buy again and then go up. So, okay guys, today I show you something about the MACD, about the crossings, about the bars. I hope you can follow it. You can ask me anything you want. I'm on my live stream channel 24 hours, 7 days a week. A lot of nice guys there, a lot of people all over the world. We are a really little nice community. Greetings to all my subscriber there, to all my supporter, to all my, I have to say, friends there, because we write daily, and it's really nice to see the people again and again and again, and they are always writing here. Buche is very often on my channel. The Great Werewolf is very often there. Andrew Higgins, I have so much Lysani, I have so much guys there, they are supporting me, and I am very, very proud of these guys. Royds is there. Royds bought 5 how do I say, support packages for my channel for other guys. I hope I will not forget something here. So much good guys, ladies and gentlemen, here on my live streaming 24 hours, 7 days. You see the chart, you see the news here from me. I'm updating it always. You see here on the right downside the other cryptos. You can compare this and see how they are working. You can see total buy and sales. You can see total longs, shorts, 50-minute charts, Ethereum 50-minute charts. You see here the buy and sell signals. You see here candlesticks. You see such a lot of things. Here you can see this resistances of Bitcoin and the support lines of Bitcoin. I'm showing you there everything I can, and I ask your questions there every time I can. So have a nice day. This was a very long video, but it was very important for me to know that you are knowing about something about the MACDs. Make it good. Have a nice day. I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye bye.